We are at my mom and dad's house in Brainerd, Minnesota, where it is negative 16 degrees Fahrenheit and dropping, and so I thought it'd be fun to try to make an ice castle from the play structure. So we sewed together two twin sheets. Now we're going to take the twin sheets and we're going to take the yarn, slice a little hole in the sheet, then take the yarn, poke it through, and we'll do a double knot. And then we're going to space these out, like I said, 6 inches all the way around. So now we've got all the strings laid out in this direction for one of the sides, and we're going to cut smaller pieces and lay them horizontally. So now we'll take a lot of the smaller pieces and do them in random spots all over the side, all of them going in a horizontal direction. All right, ready?
Kai, tell me when you guys are done cutting your book.
You remind me of Ferguson, Spruce and Kayak, do you remember them?
Oh yeah, Ford and Ben's cars. Now he just improved and designed mostly by supporting the work of his family.
So for the peak of the structure, we had to cut the ropes of different lengths because obviously at the top, those are going to be longer than the ones that are going down the side. And for the peak, we're going to cut it every 10 inches instead because it's going to be at an angle, so when they hang, they'll only be around 6 inches apart. So the peak is 57 inches high, so I need to slope this as we're tying them. One corner down 57 inches.
Well, I knew that he did.
Why the shoes are blue.
Alright, now we're going to bring this outside and hang it over the top of the plate structure. Temperature keeps dropping. We're going to head outside now. So, as you can see, we've got it all covered. Now I'm going to put a tarp over the rungs of the ladder just so that the ice doesn't make those too slick for when we try to get back in there. We now have 3 sections of 50-foot hoses, and we've got a spray nozzle here on the end. Now we're going to run hot water through it so that it doesn't freeze and test the sprayer. And as you can see, it's going to slowly start to build icicles as it freezes. So you can see more of the icicles. It's beginning to act almost like a wall. I'm thinking we need some more vertical hanging pieces, so I'm going to cut some long strips and tie them on out there. Well, I'm just here for the weekend and it looks like it's going to take way longer than I thought, so I'm not going to be able to finish this one, but I'll give you a closer look and show you some of the icicles and what happened. Cool to see a piece of string just kind of straighten out like that. So like I said, even though it didn't work completely like I wanted, it's still pretty fun to give it a try.